Homemade meatballs with creamy mashed potatoes. In a bowl, place 500 grams of ground meat and add 1 egg. Finely chop a red onion and add it to the bowl. Add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Then, add a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, and finely chopped parsley. Mix everything well until combined. 4 medium-sized meatballs. Heat olive oil in a pan and cook the meatballs. When they're almost done, pour in some preheated water to create a sauce. In a separate bowl, add hot water and 1.5 tablespoons of flour, mixing well to avoid lumps. Pour this mixture into the pan. Cut the potatoes into medium-sized pieces and place them in a pot. Add water and salt. Then cook until soft. Once done, add butter, a little milk, a tablespoon of Vegeta. Mash until creamy. Serve and enjoy. Bon appetit!